Holy Hoenn-region integral! The related rat is the rarest, most legendary Calcumon of them all!
I don't know, Calculus Man. I find the exploitation of animals to be
Go! Calcuball!
Oh well, Calculus Man. Can't say that we didn't try. Come on, let's just...
Quick, integral! The related rat is getting away! To the Calculus Mobile!
Calculus Man, don't you think you want to speed up a little? I mean, related rat is going like...
Blasted, integral! The related rat is going so fast, I don't know if we can catch him at this speed!
Holy crap, Calculus Man!
Let's find out. With Calculus. Autopilot engage.
Wait, is that even necessary? Can we just...
Oh!
Where am I?
Follow that rat. Now, integral, what's the best way to catch a related rat? With related rates.
But Miss Chris hasn't even taught us that yet. How are we supposed
Well, it's a good day to learn. Generating calculus problem now. Ha. According to my Calcudex, we're coming from the north. So the rat is going to the east, and the distance between these two vehicles can be represented by this line. Let's label our path Y, the rat's path X, and the distance between us Z. What does this shape look like?
A right triangle?
Exactly! Now, hurry up, hurry up. How do we use our knowledge of right triangles to find the rat's speed?
Well, its speed is represented by how fast X changes
Hurry.
with respect to time. So that would be dx dt. It's a right triangle, so maybe Pythagorean theorem? But how do we use that to get dx dt? Calculus Man, it's getting way away. We're wasting time, hurry!
Okay, just write out everything you know, everything you don't know, okay? We want to know the rate of change of the rat's distance with respect to time, okay? That's written dx dt, right?
Right.
And we know that the distance between us and the rat is increasing at a rate of 20 miles an hour. That means that the rate of change of z, or dz dt, is 20 miles an hour. We also know that we're approaching the intersection at 60 miles an hour. That means our velocity is represented by dy dt equals...
60?
No! You're forgetting that as we drive, we are approaching the intersection. Our side of the triangle is decreasing. That means our velocity is...
Negative 60.
Alright. What else do we know?
Okay, well, we know that the length y equals 0.6 and
come
x
on.
equals 0.8.
Good.
And we, will you stop bringing down my neck? Okay. We also know the Pythagorean theorem is x squared plus y squared equals z squared. But what do we want to do with that? The related rat is getting away.
Come on, integral, think!
I am
Think!
thinking.
Okay!
Integral, how can you expect to be doing any math when you're freaking out like that?
See? You can't just...
And how can you expect her to do any math when you're making things so stressful for her?
Well, but I mean,
You know what? Get up here. You take the wheel.
While you're driving, I don't think that's a good idea.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Hey, as you guys...
I watch it.
Okay, so what seems to be the problem here?
The Pythagorean theorem has to do with distance. I want speed. How do I use the Pythagorean theorem to get the related rat's speed?
Well, velocity is the derivative of distance, right?
Right. So what if we find the derivative of the Pythagorean theorem?
Good. Now you're on the right track. Okay, if we use implicit differentiation, we know that x squared plus y squared equals z squared. So the derivative would say this, right?
And that simplifies to this, with 2 on the outside.
But if 2 times one side is the same as 2 times another, we can reduce by getting rid of the 2.
So now we just plug in known values.
So the answer is
70.
okay, but don't forget your units.
And this is speed, so it would be 70 miles per hour.
Yes. See? Calculus. Wait, what? Oh, okay. Okay. I get it. Just because I'm Asian, you expect me to be a bad driver and be good at math. What? Asians can suck at math too? You know, there are a lot of white people in Mrs. Cruz's class who...
Okay, autopilot. I think we've got a bigger problem on our hands. It's going too fast. We are not gonna catch up to it.
What, can't you drive faster?
No, it doesn't go over 60.
Why not?
Because it's so I can't violate the speed limit. Calculus man has to be an upstanding citizen.
What? Now we'll never catch
Watch
it.
out!
Is it dead?
I don't believe it.
Calculus man, I'm so sorry.
All these years. Now's my chance! Go, Calcuball!
Ew.
Truck uses tackle. It was super effective. Hey. What? Okay, but don't forget your units.
And this is speed, so it would be 70 miles per hour.
Yes.
What if we find the derivative of the Pythagorean theorem?
Good. Now you're on the right track.